Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're going to do some pork chops, but we're not going to do it on the Blackstone or on the Pit Boss. I actually rescued a Weber Kettle. So tonight, we're going to get this Weber Kettle sparked up and do some pork chops. Just something quick and easy for the first cook on it. So let's get this thing lit up. Using some Kingsford Mesquite charcoal. That's what they gave me when I got this Weber Kettle, so that's what we're going to use. Let's get these pork chops ready. And first thing I'm going to do, they're just simple and easy. This is my favorite way to have pork chops. Just olive oil and salt, pepper, garlic. Okay, let's get this on here. Just going to spray some olive oil on here. Okay, then we're going to use my SPG. And of course, I'm going to get a nice coat. We're going to flip them, spray the other side, and get the SPG on there, and we're ready to go. How easy is that preparation for pork chops? I'm telling you, if you like pork chops, just try it with SPG. You'll love it. Another thing with pork chops, don't overcook them. I don't know how many people I've met that said they don't like pork chops, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, well, why not? Well, they said they're always dry. I said, okay, well, let me make you some. You take them to 145, cut them up, they're juicy, they love them, and guess what? That's right, now they love pork chops. All right, let's get this cook going. Okay. I'm not using very many coals tonight because I'm only doing 2 pork chops. We don't need very many, so I just have a little pile over here. And I'm just gonna dump my lit coals on top. Let those heat up for a minute. Alright, I got my grill heated up pretty good. Now, just for the fun of it, I'm going to throw a piece of hickory in there. I've got hickory mesquite. And then I am going to set my pork chops over here for a little bit. 5 or 10 minutes. See how they do. Alrighty, we'll be back. Okay, one thing I did do is I put a temp probe in there just out of curiosity, and then that way I could adjust my temp, my vents, how open I have them. Right now it's running at 354 degrees, and that's right about where I want it for these. Okay, we've got about 10 minutes on this side. I'm going to go ahead and flip them so you can see the color in there from the smoke. Let this side go for about 10 minutes, and we'll put them right over the fire. Okay, it's been on 10 minutes aside. Looking pretty good, huh? Okay. Okay. $141, $139. So they're really close. What I'm going to do right now is throw them right over the flames. Just for about a minute. Wow! Okay, there you have it. I rescued this Weber Kettle from a Traeger pellet grill guy. He doesn't think he needs it anymore. I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. All right, so let's cut into this pork chop and see how it is. It looks delicious. Look at that. Let's cut this off. Look at that. All right. Look at that piece right there. Still steaming. Looks beautiful. Smells wonderful. Smells like a little bit of hickory in that charcoal. Yeah. I'll tell you what, that's got a lot of great smoky flavor with that hickory charcoal plus a little piece of hickory wood that I put in it. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, well, there you go. I haven't cooked on a charcoal grill like this for, I don't even know the last time, but cooked perfect. Pork chops are great on the grill. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, ring the bell, comment. Really hit that thumbs up. Really appreciate it. All right, thank you. See you on the next video.